Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the vibration intensity on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called Sounds and Vibration and tap on it. And here, when you scroll down, you should see the option called Vibration. Now you can tap on it and we have the list of options. We have strong, soft and off. Select the option or the level of vibration you like and then tap on OK to confirm, like this. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the vibration intensity or level of vibration intensity on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.